It came in a package from Amazon like this. There was actually one extra box, so it was packed really nice. So let's open it. So from the top, here's the top, here's the bottom. So let's open it. Wow, there is a lot of packing for it. There is also other one inside. Whew. I didn't expect it, but it's okay. Let's do it quick. Here it is. We are almost there. So let's see. On the box it's showing the instruction how to connect it. So you'll need to install the second battery pack, and after just install where's the charger port. Seems pretty easy. As you remember guys, I bought it because my scooter doesn't turn on after it's been waiting for me in the garage almost 1 year now, and it doesn't turning on. It's not turning on at all. So I'm trying to recover my battery somehow. Maybe if I will use this battery, it will help to built-in battery start working. So nice. There's nothing else in the box. So here's some tools, external battery manual, and here it is. Wow, that's pretty heavy. Here's the kit. Actually, where you installing your bike, and here is, oh, let's do it. Listen. That sounds really nice, right? I also love it. So the battery is pretty heavy. Here's the port for the charger. The battery charged a little bit. So here's the area for where you put screws. Don't put it in the trash can. Important things to know. So the battery itself, as you can see, is 5200 milliamperes and 36 volts. Okay, that's good to know. All right, let's test it.